Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka number 33. Arjuna said, "This yoga of equanimity taught by thee, O slayer of Madhu, I see not its enduring continuity because of the restlessness of the mind."
Chapter 6, Shloka 33. Arjuna uvacha yoyam yogastvaya proktaha samyena madhusudana etasyaham na pashyami chanchalatvat sthitim stiram.
Chapter 6, Shloka 33. Hearing the description of yoga, the yoga of knowledge, though difficult, Arjuna wants to know the surest means of gaining it. To a true skilled warrior, a difficult challenge becomes more interesting. He wants to know more about it to remove his doubts. The process of detachment from pain attachments was described earlier. Like a mirror, the mind sees whatever is in front of it and gets affected. The mind has been facing the changing objects and hence tired, so when it is detached, by withdrawing it from the realm of change, by lifting it to the planes of higher contemplation, it becomes still and redeems itself of its egocentric delusions and consequent misjudgments of the world. Arjuna has been listening attentively to the logical arguments presented and has discovered a weak link in the arguments presented to him by the Lord, so the question in the form of a doubt. He says that this yoga you have been teaching me is not practical, and also gives the logic why he finds it so. He says that though it may be possible during meditation, the state of evenness of mind at all time is not possible, as the nature of the mind is restless. He sees the possibility of winning over the mind after long practice and the experience of the infinite in that split moment. But the direct realization could not be maintained by the man of knowledge for long due to the ever restless nature of the mind. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.